Hello friends, this is Career Talks with Sawan Kumar, and today we are going to talk about success. Okay, tell me one thing. How many of you want success? How many of you want success, and what does success mean to you? When I ask this question in an open crowd with a lot of people, there are different types of things that people associate success to be. It is about having a lot of money, winning on something, getting good recognition, having a lot of power, respect, happiness, and so on. So, for each one of us, success is different. For each one of us, we achieve success, we become successful in a different way, and that is absolutely fine. Success is basically if we are here and we want to reach here. Now, when we reach here, that is what success is. From where we are to reaching where we are, where we want to reach, is what success is. It could be in terms of money, power, respect, happiness, and so many other things. But one thing is sure, that to reach from here to here, what is required in between is one common thing. No matter for you, success is money, success is winning, success is power, success is respect, success is recognition, happiness. You're here and you want this. The only way that you cross from here, you move from here to here, is by a lot of hard work, is by a lot of commitment, is by a lot of perseverance, is by a lot of passion, is by a lot of discipline. It is only then you reach from here to here, no matter what you want over here, where you are and where you want to reach. The only way that you cross this distance is by all of the things that I just mentioned to you. Okay, tell me one thing. Yesterday, my son was asking me for a PS5. That is what every kid wants. And he said the reason of him wanting it was because his reason for asking it was because somebody else has it. That cannot be the reason of me wanting something. And this is where we go wrong very often. We want something because somebody else has it. But we cannot get it because somebody else has it. I want a luxury car. I want to buy an Audi or a Mercedes, or I want to have a private jet because somebody has it. But I cannot get it because somebody has it. I have to do something to get it. And this is what this is what my kid needs to understand, this is what my son needs to understand, and this is what you need to understand. You would not get something because you just want to get it. You will have to do something to get it. And that is what I asked my son, that if he wants a PS5, he will have to do some pieces of writing every day for me, he will have to do some storytelling for me, or some activity is what he will have to do, what he can do to get what he wants. Or what happens is very often he makes a promise, and then because he is a kid, he ends up not keeping it up. And now when he does not keep his promise, and the other day when I do the same, he comes up and says, "Dad, this is not fair. This is not how you should be doing." He's right. I should not be doing this because I am his dad. But life is not fair. Life is never gonna be fair with you. When you are applying for engineering exams, you know how many people apply for IIT? Lakhs, millions. But how many actually get through IIT? Only maybe a few thousand. Not fair. How many people apply for being chartered accountants? And how many actually end up being chartered accountants at the end of the year? How many people apply or want to be a doctor? Well, I would say how many people apply is in millions, and how many people want to be is much more than how many people actually apply. How many people actually end up applying. That number is also a huge difference. A lot of people want to be doctors, but only a few are able to apply, and it's a very small amount that are actually able to become doctors or engineers or chartered accountants or whatever they want to become. A sportsman, a footballer, a good cricket person, whatever they want to become. A very small percentage of it is actually able to become what they become. This is not fair. This is not fair. People should be able to become what they want to become, but life is not fair. That is how life is. You cannot, you would not get what you want to get because you just want to get it. You have to earn it. Yes, this is the right word. You have to earn what you want to get. You would not just get it because you are somebody's son, somebody's brother, somebody's sister. You would not just get it because of that. Maybe for a very short period of time you might get what you have wanted because you were the son of somebody, or you were the brother of somebody, or you were the sister of somebody, but you would not get it for lifetime. So if you are getting something because of something, because of you not doing anything to get it, then you need to start doing something to get it, because it is not going to happen for your entire life. And if you are getting something because doing anything to get it, then you are becoming a loser. Then you are becoming a weak person. Then you are making yourself weak. Forget about somebody else. Forget about your dad or your big brother or your big sister who is giving you out of love. You are making yourself weak. You are responsible for yourself, because when they would not be there around you, nobody is gonna give you that once again for free, for not doing anything for them. Nobody is ever gonna do that. So stop taking anything for free from anybody. Work on that, earn it, and then take it. If your dad says, I want to gift you a bike, tell your dad, no, that I would be earning it. Only when I earn it, maybe you would like to give it to me. And that is what will make you a better human being, a better person, a successful person, because you have learned the very basic of life, that only when you give something is when you also get something. This has never been taught in school. These things are never taught in school. But these are the most elementary things that we should be knowing. Knowing before we go and ask our dad. Knowing before we go and complain that he does nothing for us. Why would he do something for you? Because you are his son? Yes, he has his responsibilities. But even you have some responsibilities. Even you have some duties. Before you go and call for your rights, you have some duties. Are you taking care of your duties? Are you doing enough to be successful? You know what we say, that if you are not doing anything difficult, if you're not working hard, if you're not having new problems in your life, you're not living your life. If the life is very easy for you, because you're somebody's son, life is very easy for you, that means you're not living. If you're not making your life difficult for yourself, that does not mean you make your life difficult in a negative way. You have to make your life difficult to grow. You have to make your life difficult to reach somewhere. Not make your life difficult and become poor. Not make your life difficult that you cannot even earn a single day bread. You do not have to make your life difficult that way. You have to make your life difficult, but when you pass that difficulty, you are at the next level of your life. You are not better than what you were before. That is what you need to focus on. That is what you need to exactly work on. Have a good day.